Hello folks, this is Andrew Nadeau from Stonehearth Capital Management here with an educational economic update for March 2021. In this month's video, we'll discuss some recent headlines that influenced the financial markets in February. I will also provide some perspective on what these developments may mean in the months ahead. Please stay tuned at the end of this video for a required disclosure statement. February began on a high note as investors drew encouragement from strong fourth quarter earnings and encouraging employment data. However, the news was not all positive. COVID-related deaths in the United States eclipsed the 500,000 mark. That being said, 2 vaccines were rolled out last month, with a third one on tap for release this month. Despite closing the month on a downturn, stocks ended February in the black. The Dow gained a little more than 3%, while the S&P 500 rose 2.6%, and the Nasdaq was up almost 1%. While debates surrounding additional fiscal stimulus continued throughout the month, February saw no deal reached. While a deal appears to be on track for March, some details still need to be ironed out. Last month also saw more evidence that the economy is regaining some positive momentum. The employment report showed the addition of about 50,000 new jobs and the number of unemployed continuing to drop, even though it still remains above pre-pandemic levels. Additionally, fourth quarter GDP showed annualized growth of 4.1%. The housing market continues to be a bright spot for the economy, with residential fixed investment showing a 35.8% increase in the Q4 report after soaring 63% in the third quarter. With the economy continuing to show signs of recovery and the number of COVID cases continuing to decline as vaccine distribution increases, optimism is growing that some semblance of normalcy is approaching. Focus will now shift to the Federal Reserve Board, which meets in March for the first time since January. Investors will be watching for signs or indications of a timeline for scaling back the quantitative easing program that has been in place now for more than a year. That's it for this month's educational economic update. Once again, this is Andrew Nadeau with Stonehearth Capital Management signing off for the month of March 2021. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you would like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 978-624-3000. We'd be happy to talk to you. Thank you.